Presidential tape dated 11/10, 1984. Upon viewing of this tape, you are instructed to destroy it to ensure it does not fall into the hands of our enemies. This tape has been dispatched to the cabinet and senior CIA and military officials. It has now come to our attention that the United Kingdom now pose a threat to the peace and security of the world. As you will all be aware, in 1983, a new party known as the Rebuild Party won power in a landslide election victory, promising to restore Britain as a renowned and respected global power. They took action 2 weeks ago, invading Argentina as revenge for their victory in the Falkland Islands in 1982. Argentina has now become British Argentina and is currently under military rule. In April of this year, Britain also invaded the Republic of Ireland and has now become a de facto British colony. Since their election, the Rebuild Party have increased their military spending significantly, and it is currently impractical to liberate both Argentina and Ireland. The concern from Washington is that the UK may attempt to invade other nations to use their resources and their people to expand their military and economic power. Argentina is a nation that has potential that has not been tapped into, and should Britain tap into it, they could become a significant economic and military power. We believe the most likely targets for future invasions are Uruguay, Paraguay, Iceland, Bolivia, Taiwan, Mexico. Britain maintains their control of Hong Kong, and an increase in military presence has been noted since the 1983 election. The President has stressed the need for measures to prevent Britain from expanding into these countries. As of now, Britain would not be able to last in an all-out war with the US and other world powers, but should we allow them to expand and increase their wealth, resources and manpower, they could pose a threat to us and other countries. The President has also requested that his longtime friend Margaret Thatcher be evacuated from the UK before the Rebuild Party attempt to assassinate her. The Rebuild Party exists as a neo-fascist regime, executing and exiling those who are not white, of perfect mental capacity or heterosexual. A neo-fascist British Empire could throw the relative peace and order of the world into jeopardy. NATO and the UN have informed us that they do not plan on implementing sanctions as of now, to avoid escalating an already delicate situation. For now, the plan remains simple. Contain the Rebuild Party. Do not let them expand their territory.